Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fletcher Nelson. I'm a third grade teacher, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Gimkit's new game called Fishtopia. It's a game where kids are going to go off and explore the map and fish and try to get as much money as they can. To Gimkit, you're going to select the kit that you want to play. I'm doing one on multiplication, and then you're going to select Fishtopia. Once you have selected Fishtopia, again, this right now is in early access, which means that there are going to be some issues and bugs with the game. I have played with my students. They either really enjoyed it or some of them didn't care for it, but a lot of them really did like it. And it worked well. We have pretty old Chromebooks and it worked just fine for us. I usually do it I moved it down to 7 minutes when we were playing, but again, they do like that you're actually moving around, so 10 minutes probably is fine. And I just let everything else the same. After that, you're going to get to where they need to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and join with a few people. The one thing about this game is you as the teacher, you will have a person too. See, I didn't even enter the game code, but you'll be able to play this game with your class if you'd like to. All right, now that I have a few people logged in so I can start the game, the goal of this game is they're going to actually have to move around. So you need to use your keyboard to move their player. They are going to try to go to this area. It'll be you'll see it when we get on there, but they'll answer questions there, and that's going to earn them bait. So the more questions they answer, the more bait they have, and then they can come back to it whenever they want. After they have bait, they want to go find water, and they will go fishing. And their backpack's only going to let them hold a certain number of fish before it's full. So after it's full, or whenever they decide to, they need to find an area where they can sell their fish for cash. And again, the goal is to have as much cash as possible. So we are going to get started with the game. All right, I'm going to turn off the music, that way you can just hear me for this. But again, these players are all people I just put in on different tabs, that way we could start the game. So they're not going to be moving, but everyone would be moving on their own right now. They'd be moving around. We would all come over to this question station, and we hit enter to answer questions. Now that I've answered a few, now what I would do is I'd walk around and I would want to go find water. So you can see there's water here, there's water up here, so there's plenty of places they can go fish. And they also have some signs like a sell station. So when they're ready to sell, they'd come over here. They have a boat launch over there. Anyways, so I'm going to come over to just find this water. All I have to do is hit enter, and it's going to start fishing for me. All right, now I can choose to fish again or close out of there. All right, so I was catching some pretty common fish, but as you can see, my backpack can't carry any more fish, so I need to go sell my fish at the sell station. So I have to actually walk down here, go to the sell station, press and hold enter, and now I earned my cash. So now I can decide if I want to go get some more bait, if I want to go because my bait's up here in the left corner, so I have 10 bait. I can keep fishing. So I have my baits, I can keep fishing, I can go answer more questions. As students are earning more money, like here's the gear shop, so if they go up over this bridge, they are able to buy better rods, they can buy better backpacks that'll hold more fish. So there are things they can buy to upgrade during the game. So that was at the gear shop. Over here at the boat launch, so over here at the boat launch, they can buy access to a boat. So if I wanted to, I don't have enough here, but I could buy that and have access to the purple pond to go fish out there. Again, coming back here, going down to the fish collection. Okay, down here at the fish collector, I really don't get why you'd want to come down here, why it matters, but you can come down here to press and hold, and then it'll show you how many fish and the types you've caught in. So, yeah, I don't really get the point of this part, I guess, but maybe there's a reason. So that's the fish collection. Again, there's water other places that you can move. Over here's the power shop. So again, this can make it, you can buy it so you can move around faster, so you don't have to wait. You can fish instantly. And this one is going to make it so you earn more cash. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's fun. I like it because the kids have to actually get, and they actually get to move around their character. They get to go fish. They get to go buy power-ups. It's not just buying stuff from the shop like normal, like in most other game kits. Like it's more interactive as they get to like move their player around. So again, my classes really liked it. There's a few who don't love it, I guess, but overall, not everyone's gonna love everything. One thing I didn't show you is as the teacher, I was showing you like if you were playing with your class. If you don't want to play with your class, the kids are gonna move around just like I showed you, and you can up here, you can pull up the leaderboard, and that way people can see the order of that. You can pull up the inventory, and then the other thing you can do is just see all the players, and yeah. You could remove them from a game, or if you needed to teleport them to a spot, I think you're able to. So, or to them. Anyways, so those are the things you can do as the teacher. So again, that is Fishtopia. So that's pretty much it. My third graders, we just logged on and they kind of figured it out on their own. So go for it. Your kids will figure it out and I'm sure they'll enjoy it. It does stink because I think you have to actually be like a Gimkit member. I think you have to pay now in order to play this. I'm not 100% sure on that, so sorry if that's the case and you're not a member. I do pay like the $10 a month for it. So anyways, again, hope that helps. Let me know if you play and, subscribe and all that good stuff. See you later.